Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can subscribe or get the premium version of Midjourney, or unsubscribe or cancel your subscription from Midjourney. Alright, and for those people who do not know what Midjourney is a AI which helps you create images if you give it the correct prompt. So to create this, the person had to enter famous Italian cities as they would appear in children's book, and it created it similar to the text it gave. So you have to give it command, and according to the command it will create the image you want. So that's basically what Midjourney is. Now to subscribe to get its premium version or to cancel your subscription, follow the steps which I will show you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. First step, go to the Discord server of Midjourney and go on this newbie section over here. Now you can go on any newbie section you want, just make sure to be on one. And where it says messages, click on messages, and under messages you want to write /sub, and you can see where it says the subscribe option. You want to click on it. Make sure you write /subscribe and click enter. Once you do that, Midjourney will provide you a link. Now this link is only for you, do not share it. Alright, click on open subscription page, click on yep, and it will automatically open up on your browser, and it will take you to the subscription page. Over here you can click on subscribe to get subscribed to the plan you want, and after you're subscribed to a plan, what you can do is to unsubscribe or to cancel your subscription. Do the same thing. Go to your Discord, write /subscribe, come to this page, and over here instead of subscribe you're going to see the cancel button. Alright, now in my case I don't have the premium version, that's why it's showing me subscribe, but if I already had the premium version, it was going to show me cancel. Now whichever plan you chose, it's going to show you cancel instead of subscribe for that plan. Just come to this page, click on cancel, and your subscription will be cancelled. That's how we guys can manage subscription from Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.